everyone. You are welcome to Geojay Solution Tutorial channel. I am Emanje Adaviruku. Today, I want to show you how to do spline interpolation using ArcGIS. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So in ArcGIS, I have this data. I have my study area and I have weather stations. This weather station is an imaginary station for the purpose of this exercise, and in this station we have rainfall record, which we want to use to demonstrate spline interpolation in ArcGIS. So this is the value of the rainfall. So to do spline interpolation, go to Arc Toolbox, open Arc Toolbox, you come to Spatial Analysis tool, come to Interpolation, then you see spline. This is spline. So double click spline to open the canvas. Then here, input point features, we put the station, which is this one. Then Z value, the Z value will be the value we want to interpolate, which is the rainfall. This is it, rainfall. Then navigate to the folder where you want to save the results. So let's save here and call it, for example, rainfall. Rainfall. Click on save. Then come to environment. This environment, the processing extent. Click on that. Then the extent will be our study area. That is processing extent. Then scroll down, come to raster analysis. Raster analysis, scroll down and come to mask. We are masking with our study area. Then click on OK. Now everything is ready. Leave other thing at default. Then click on OK. So the process is running background. In few seconds it will be done and it will create spline interpolations within our study area. Okay, it is done. This is spline interpolation. So what we can do now is to come to properties and go to symbology. Yes, symbology. Then you can change the class, number of classes, and you can change the color as well. So you can do all of that things you want to do here. So this is spline interpolation, how to do spline interpolation in ArcGIS. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.